1. Whole body connected flow. I am Tai Chi Master Yi. Today we'll go through 3 simple, accessible soft movement sequences. You can do at home every single morning, no equipment needed. These routines focus on releasing built-up tension, building smooth full body mobility, and making all your daily bending, twisting, and walking feel lighter. Stick all the way to the end. I'll share where you can find my full step-by-step training system for deeper practice. First up, whole body connected flow. This opening movement links your arms, torso, and hips into one unbroken, soft spiral. A lot of people only move one part of their body separately, which creates uneven tightness over time. This slow, gentle flow teaches your body to move as one connected unit, melting stiff spots all over your frame. Take slow, steady breaths as you follow along. Don't rush any twist or shift. Great job on the full body flow. Now, we shift our focus inward to the core, support of your frame, your spine. Most daily tension gets stored along the spinal chain, which slows down all your natural movement. Our second sequence is built to soften that stagnant tightness along your back. 2. Spinal wave undulation. This is spinal wave undulation. Will create soft, slow rolling waves from the base of your spine all the way up to your neck. No harsh bending or forced stretches. Here just slow, organic movement to restore smooth, unblocked mobility through your entire spinal line. Each gentle wave creates small, open spaces between your soft tissue, letting your torso move freely again. Your spine now feels softer and more open, so we'll move down to support your legs, which carry all your body weight every day. Stiff hips, tight calves, and heavy legs limit how fluid your whole body can move. So this third routine targets your lower body completely. 3. Lower body soft mobility routine. This lower body soft mobility routine works your hips, thighs, and calves with slow, controlled, shifting steps. It releases lingering tension in your legs, supporting stable, light walking, squatting, and daily movement. Perfect if you sit for long hours or feel heavy stiffness in your legs after a busy day. That wraps up our 3-part daily gentle flow practice today. If these short sequences feel helpful for your daily mobility, I've created a complete, in-depth full training course with longer step-by-step routines, breakdowns, and progressive spiral flow lessons. You can find this full detailed training program on my channel homepage to deepen your practice at your own pace. If you enjoyed this easy, beginner-friendly soft movement, hit the subscribe button and turn on notification bell. Every week I share new free daily flow clips to keep your body loose and mobile. Leave a comment below to let me know which of these 3 movements felt the most helpful for you.